Well, I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. Now, for yesterday's temperatures, they were actually seasonable for this time of the year. Temperature right on the money for the high at 34 degrees, a little bit milder than normal for that low temperature at 23 degrees, but we'll gladly take it after being under a cool stretch over the last couple of weeks. Record high for yesterday's date is 54 degrees, set back in 2001, and 20 years prior was the record low of 1 degree positive. Sun started occurring at 5:09 p.m. Now for today, the temperatures even a bit more of that warmth with that southerly flow. Temperatures just around 30 degrees, 30 in Escanaba, 31 in Munising, 28 in Marquette, 29 in Iron Mountain, 27 in Ontonagon. And those afternoon temperatures, they really soared about a good 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. So great Black Friday weather when it comes to shopping. Just make sure to have that umbrella with you. But at least the temperatures weren't feeling too bad. That is good news, though. 48 degrees in Iron Mountain and in Escanaba, 44 in Munising, 45 in Marquette. There will be a cold front that will slide through, so we are dealing with rain right now as temperatures are on the milder side. But once that cold front slides through later on tonight, we'll start seeing a changeover into snow, and that could linger on throughout the morning hours on Saturday. Now, looking further ahead towards Sunday and even beyond into the next work week, we're going to keep it dry and mild. Yes, I mean, mild is literally going to be the main key word to explain the weather we're going to have over the next couple of days, and even the weather we had today, because temperatures are just going to be above average for the last days of November. So we finally get a little bit of a break when it comes to both the rain and the snow, and also the fact that temperatures will be rather tolerable as well. We won't be under some deep Arctic chills like we have seen over the last month. Now for tomorrow's setup, there's still a little bit of warmth hanging on over the I-95 corridor from, say, Richmond, Virginia, all the way up into Augusta, Maine. But for us here, we'll just be dealing with some cold fronts sliding through. But these cold fronts are not really packing quite a big of a punch when it comes to cold air. They're just going to knock temperatures down maybe about 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of the year. And that's about it, but not really intense chills like we had earlier this month. So here's how it's all playing out for tonight and into tomorrow. We'll have the rain, and then we'll eventually have a little bit of that lake effect snow. When it comes to accumulations of snowfall, up to an inch or even 2 at most. Then we'll have a mixture of sun and clouds starting on Sunday, and that's how it's pretty much going to be for the upcoming work week, all the way from Monday through Thursday. We'll have a little bit of a seesaw with temperatures between the 30s and the 40s as we deal with a little bit of a weak cold front that comes in sometime late Tuesday into Wednesday, but it's not really going to knock down those temperatures at all. We're kind of going to see a little bit of a ridge building in the jet stream, and that's really going to allow temperatures to maintain themselves pleasant over the last couple of days of the month of November. So for tonight, though, we'll be dealing with more rain than snow. Keep that in mind. So more liquid. There will be some snowfall, but that's probably going to occur as we get closer towards sunrise, with those winds eventually shifting from the south and then eventually finishing off out of the west at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and temperatures pretty much meandering around the 32-degree mark. So for tomorrow, our high temperature likely to occur sometime in the morning, and then we'll start seeing that descent in those temperatures, especially with those winds coming out of the northwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour. For the rest of the day, we'll keep it mostly cloudy. Temperatures mostly around 30 degrees, 32 in Iron Mountain, 28 in Houghton, 29 in Ontonagon, 35 in Manistee. Then here's a closer look of what to expect for tomorrow on Saturday. Sunset at 5:08 p.m. and decreasing snow chances, 30% in the morning. That's when we'll see the best chances, and then really decreasing the further deeper we go throughout the day. 10% chance by tomorrow night, but still a good amount of cloudiness, and we'll still keep a little bit of that cloudiness around on Sunday and even into Monday, but we'll keep it between partly sunny and partly cloudy skies. So great weather ahead. Temperatures, like I mentioned before, around 40 degrees for the first half of the work week, then a little bit of a cold front sliding through. Temperatures knocked down closer to average for pretty much the last day of November. Morning temperatures around those 20s.